This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Kansas City Pleasant Hill MO. A tornado warning is in effect. The following areas are affected.
Yeah, so we got
Atchison,
here, we got
MO, Howell,
we got some
MO.
rotation
Details of
for
the
this
message.
storm here.
Tornado
This
warning
is
issued
by
May 18th
Fairfax,
at
Missouri.
5:28
This is
p.m.
along
CBT
the
until May
Missouri
18th at 6
River,
p.m. CBT by
just
NWS
by
Kansas City Pleasant Hill
Humboldt,
MO.
Kansas. So this
Here is the meteorological
about
bulletin details. At
right in the center
5:27 p.m.
area
CBT, a confirmed dangerous tornado is
four,
located
like,
near
border section
Baraga, or
crossing
13
area.
miles
So we
northwest
got-
of Mound City, moving northeast at 50 mph.
Holy shit.
This is a particularly dangerous
Okay,
situation.
so we got in here.
Take
We got
cover now.
rotation. We can see
Hazard,
some strong
damaging
rotation here.
tornado.
This is
Source,
the green. If you
weather
don't know,
spotters
the green
confirmed
is
tornado.
moving towards the radar, and the red is moving
Impact.
away.
You
We have
are
some
in a
rotation in here.
life-threatening
That's why there's a
situation.
tornado warning here.
Flying debris
here,
may
here.
be deadly to those caught without shelter.
Shit. Tornado
This is
warning,
an
particular.
emergency weather
It's
bulletin
TDS
from
tornado
the
warning actually
NWS
here.
Norman, okay.
There is
A
an
severe
observed tornado
thunderstorm
here on the
warning is in
ground,
effect.
right
The
here.
following areas are affected. Greer,
Let's go ahead and
okay.
head
Jackson,
to high-res
okay.
correlation.
Kiowa, okay. Details
So
of
you
the
can see
message.
there's a lot of debris
Severe
up in the
thunderstorm
clouds
warning
here.
issued May 18th at 5:28
I don't
p.m.
see
CBT
any
until May
signature of
18th
a
at 6
tornado,
p.m.
but
CBT by
there
NWS
is
Norman,
it is
okay.
an observed
Here
tornado
is the
warning.
meteorological bulletin details. At 5:27 p.m. CBT, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mangum, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind
Tornado
gusts
watch.
and half-dollar size
There is a
hail.
tornado, like the
Source,
whole, all of
Humboldt.
this
At
yellow area right here
5:25
is a
p.m.
tornado watch,
CBT,
and that is what we're
half-dollar
looking at right now.
size hail
This is
was
a
reported near
PDS tornado
Mangum.
watch. Actually, this is the first time.
Impact,
But
hail
this
damage to
area
vehicles
here
is
and
expected.
all of this is in a PDS
Expect
tornado
wind
watch,
damage to roofs,
which
siding,
stretches
and trees.
pretty far actually.
This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Topeka KS. A tornado warning is in effect. The following areas are affected: Clay, KS, Geary,
So we have
KS,
a new severe
Riley,
thunderstorm warning up
KS.
here in Iowa.
Details of the message. Tornado warning issued May 18th
This is
at
under a
5:30
mesoscale
p.m.
discussion.
CBT until
As you
May
can see here,
18th
it
at
expires in 1 hour. Severe
5:45
potential
CBT by
possibility of a
NWS
watch,
Topeka
20%
KS.
wind and
Here
hail. So
is the
this is just
meteorological
basically
bulletin
a
details.
hail
At
and wind
5:29 p.m.
mesoscale
CBT,
discussion,
a
but do
severe
not
thunderstorm
be
capable of producing
scared.
a tornado
Well, I mean, do be
is
scared by
located
that.
over Wakefield, moving
We do
northeast
have
at 30 miles per hour.
three more tornado warnings down
Hazard,
here.
tornado and golf
Actually, a
ball
lot
size
of the
hail.
storm chasers are in the southern
Source,
tornado
radar
warning, so we'll get,
indicated
I guess we'll go ahead
rotation.
and look at the.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to
I guess
those
we'll go
caught
ahead and look at
without
the radar for
shelter.
these.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles.
So this area right here, just north of Summerfield in Kansas. I
This is
think,
an emergency weather bulletin
Yep,
from the
in Kansas, so
NWS
we're in
Omaha
Kansas here.
Valley NE. A tornado
along
warning is in effect.
Highway
The
99,
following areas are
just
affected: Richardson
north
and
of
Lee.
Summerfield.
Details of
This
the
gray
message.
area here is going to be an
Tornado
area
warning
of
issued May
interest for this
18th at
tornado warning. If this does
5:31
get
p.m.
stronger,
CBT until May
what I
18th
mean
at
is if this red and
5:45
green start to
p.m.
touch,
CBT
then
by
we're going to have some
NWS
problems
Omaha
there
Valley
with
NE.
rotation and
Here
other
is the
things like that.
meteorological bulletin details. At
go ahead and change the tilt
5:31
to
p.m.
9.
CBT, a severe thunderstorm capable
Okay,
of
yeah, you can
producing a
see there's-
tornado is located 3 miles southeast of Schubert, or 10 miles north of Falls City, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado.
This is a radar indicated
Source,
indicated tornado warning,
rotation.
so it is not official yet. But
Impact.
still, get down to
Flying
your safe
debris
spots
will be
if you are in
dangerous
this
to those
area.
caught without shelter.
Let's go ahead and look at
Mobile homes will be
Marysville
damaged or
here.
destroyed.
This is
Damage to
Marysville.
roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage.
New tornado warning here.
This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Omaha Valley NE. A tornado warning is in effect. The following areas are affected: Richardson and NE. Details of the message. Tornado warning issued May 18th at 5:33 p.m. CDT until May 18th at 6 p.m. CDT by NWS Omaha Valley NE. Here is the meteorological bulletin details. At 5:32 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located 4 miles east of Schubert, or 10 miles north of Falls City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact.
So
Flying
we have
debris
here.
will be dangerous to those
You
caught
see, there's a
without
tornado
shelter.
warning down here.
Mobile
So
homes will be
these are two
damaged or
separate
destroyed.
storms here.
Damage to roofs, windows,
These two
and
actually are
vehicles will
separate ones,
occur.
but they're combining
Tree
into
damage
one
is likely.
merger. So we might
Look.
see some weakening on this
This is an
storm
emergency
here, which
weather
is
bulletin
a
from
PDS
the
tornado warning
NWS
right
Omaha
now.
Valley NE. A tornado warning is in effect. The following
But yeah,
areas
there's
are
still some
affected.
very strong
Page
rotation here
IA.
in this
Details of the message.
area.
Tornado warning issued May 18th at 5:33 p.m. CDT until May 18th at 6 p.m. CDT by NWS Omaha Valley NE. Here is the meteorological bulletin details. At 5:33 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near College Springs, or 10 miles south of Clarinda, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and ping pong ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs,
So yes, we do
windows,
have some rotation
and vehicles
here
will occur.
in this area.
Tree damages.
I think that is, we
This is
do
an
have a severe
emergency
thunderstorm
weather
warning
bulletin from the
for
NWS
Clarinda, Iowa.
A severe thunderstorm warning is in
So
effect.
go ahead and
The
take
following areas
shelter.
are affected. Adams, IA, Taylor,
Why are we looking
IA.
at
Details of the message. Severe thunderstorm warning issued May 18th at
So you can see there's a
5:34 p.m.
line here,
CDT until May 18th at 6:30 p.m.
So yeah,
CDT by NWS Des Moines IA. Here is the meteorological bulletin details. It's the RDMX. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Adams County in southwestern Iowa, Taylor County in southwestern
New
Iowa,
tornado warning.
until 6:30 p.m. CDT.
Oh, another one.
5:34
But, okay, so
p.m.
this
CDT,
one
a
is
severe
for,
thunderstorm was located over Brandyville, or 10 miles south
there
of Clarinda,
are
moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Northeast at 36
Hazard,
kilometers per
ping-pong
hour.
balls up.
Area 233 square miles.
This is an
Affected
emergency weather
areas are
bulletin
going to
from the
be
NWS
Pleasant Hill.
Omaha Valley
Oh,
NE.
sorry.
A tornado warning is in effect. The following areas are affected. Pawnee and Nee.
Burlington
Details of the
Junction,
message.
Hopkins,
Tornado
Claremont,
warning issued
Alamo,
May
and
18th at
Pickering.
5:35 p.m.
Take cover
CDT
now.
until May 18th at 6 p.m.
This is a tornado
CDT
warning
by
issued by the
NWS
Kansas City
Omaha Valley
Pleasant Hill.
Here is the meteorological
Missouri.
bulletin details.
What the
At
hell? Okay, we go back
5:35
in.
p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located 3 miles north of Summerfield, or 11 miles west of Pawnee City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Storm spotters reported rotating wall cloud. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs. This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Topeka KS. A tornado warning is in effect. The following areas are affected. Marshall, KS. Details of the tornado warning issued May 18th at 5:36 p.m. CDT until May 18th at 6 p.m. CDT by NWS
Oh my
Topeka
god,
KS.
you're being, it's
Here
being
is the
retarded.
meteorological bulletin details. At 5:35 p.m. CDT, a confirmed tornado is located 6 miles northeast of Blue Rapids, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and ping-pong ball size hail. Source: emergency management confirmed tornado. At 5:28 p.m., emergency management reported a tornado east of Blue Rapids. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Kansas City Pleasant Hill MO. A tornado warning is in effect. The following areas are affected. Atchison, MO, Howell, MO. Details of the message. Tornado warning issued May 18th at 5:37 p.m. CDT until May 18th at 6 p.m. CDT by NWS Kansas City Pleasant Hill MO. Here is the meteorological bulletin details. At 5:36 p.m. CDT, a potentially dangerous tornado is located near Fairfax, or 10 miles south of Tarkio, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying. This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Omaha Valley NE. A tornado warning is in effect. The following areas are affected: Richardson and NE. Details of the message: tornado warning issued May 18th at 5:38 p.m. CDT until May 18th at 5:45 p.m. CDT by NWS Omaha Valley NE. Here is the meteorological bulletin details. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8:00 p.m. CDT for southeastern Nebraska. All residents in the warned area should monitor conditions closely and take appropriate precautions immediately. This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Kansas City Pleasant Hill MO. A tornado warning is in effect. The following areas are affected: Nottoway, MO. Details of the message: tornado warning issued May 18th at 5:39 p.m. CDT until May 18th at 6 p.m. CDT by NWS Kansas City Pleasant Hill MO. Here is the meteorological bulletin details. At 5:39 p.m. CDT, a severe squall line capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage was located near Burlington Junction, or 15 miles south of Clarinda, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Omaha Valley NE. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect. The following areas are affected: Wayne,
just fucking zoom in.
Details of the message: severe thunderstorm warning issued May 18th at 5:40 p.m. CDT until May 18th at 6 p.m. CDT by NWS Omaha Valley NE. Here is the meteorological bulletin details. At 5:40 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southeast of Wayne, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail. Source:
Okay, so
emergency management.
this area here we
This
got a new
storm has a history
tornado
of
warning for
producing
Bedford,
golf-ball-sized
Iowa,
hail and Pilger. Impact:
Maryville,
people and
Missouri
animals
here.
outdoors will be
We got
injured.
Kansas. We got 2
Expect
tornado
damage to
warnings still in
roofs,
Kansas
siding,
and no tornado
windows,
warnings
and
in Nebraska
vehicles.
for right now.
This
That will
severe
probably soon
storm
change.
will be
We
near
do have a
Wayne
line
Field
of
around.
area of interest here, but we do have strong rotation here.
This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Omaha Valley NE. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect. The
So this is a
following
PDS
areas are
tornado warning.
affected:
It is
Fremont, IE, Page,
there's
IA,
nothing on the
Manhattan,
ground
NE,
yet, but
Odo,
there
NE,
probably will be some.
Richardson, NE.
It is actually,
Details
oh
of
my
the
God, dude,
message:
I fucking hate
severe
this thing. Why is
thunderstorm
it?
warning issued May 18th at 5:41 p.m.
Okay, so
CDT
right now,
until May
just
18th
near
at
Fairfax,
5:45
Kansas.
p.m. CDT by NWS Omaha Valley NE. Here is the meteorological bulletin details.
Got a
The
couple
storm
miles from
which
Fairfax,
prompted the warning
Kansas
has
here.
moved out of the
We
area.
do have
Therefore,
a
the warning will be
tornado
allowed
warning
to
with
expire.
some strong rotation.
A
This
tornado watch
light
remains
sign
in
on here
effect until
with this
8:00
bright
p.m.
red
CDT
is
for
strong
southeastern
rotation.
Nebraska.
It was actually
The
stronger
tornado
earlier in the live
watch
stream
also
if you guys
remains
were
in
here.
effect until
But
1000
it's not
p.m.
strong as
CDT
it's
for
not as strong
southwestern
now,
Iowa.
but
All
I
residents
don't
in the
know if
warned
it's
area should
observed.
monitor conditions closely and take appropriate
Oh
precautions
yeah, there's an
immediately.
observed tornado on the ground. I misjudged that. So it is a
This
PDS
is an
tornado
emergency
warning.
weather
It is
bulletin
a
from
massive
the
and strong
NWS
tornado. I don't
Topeka
see
A
any.
tornado warning is in effect.
I don't see any
The following
freaking
areas are
cameras.
affected:
Otherwise, I'd
Clay,
switch to those cameras.
KS, Ottawatomie, KS, Riley, KS. Details of the message: tornado warning issued May 18th at 5:42 p.m. CDT until May 18th at 6:30 p.m. CDT by NWS Topeka KS. Here is the meteorological bulletin details.
Oh, actually, we could get some. Oh, this
National Weather
is
Service in
another
Topeka has
observed
issued
tornado
a
warning here.
Tornado warning for northwestern Riley County in northeastern Kansas, northwestern Pottawatomie County in northeastern Kansas, east central Clay County in north central Kansas. Until 6:30 p.m. CDT. At 5:41 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Riley, moving northeast at 35. This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Wichita KS. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect. The
Alright, so
following
you can
areas
see
are
there's
affected.
rain, but I don't
Salem,
see
KS.
anything here.
Details of the message.
Oh,
Severe
this is just a
thunderstorm
picture
warning
camera
issued
here, but
May
we're looking
18th
at
5:44
it's a big
PM
wall of rain
CDT
here. I
until
don't know
May
which
18th
way
at
this is pointing.
5:45 PM
It is a
CDT
long
by
US
NWS
36
Wichita
at the
KS.
Case
Here is the
99
meteorological bulletin
junction
details.
here.
The
So we're
storms
gonna go
which
ahead and take a
prompted the
look at
warning
that.
have moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. A tornado watch remains in effect until 800 p.m. CDT for central Kansas. All residents in the warned area should monitor conditions closely and take appropriate precautions immediately.
Okay, you can see that Brandon Kopic, and he's right in the circulation here. So let's go ahead and switch on to his stream here.
This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Sioux Falls SD. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect. The following areas are affected: Cherokee, IE, Ida, IA, Woodbury, IA. Details of the message. Severe thunderstorm warning issued May 18th at 5:43 p.m. CDT until May 18th at 6 p.m. CDT by NWS Sioux Falls SD.
Okay, what we're looking at here is a debris signature. We don't see much, but we do see a lot of debris up here in the atmosphere. Let's go ahead and head back up north here.
Quimby, or 10 miles south of Cherokee, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour.
Oh yeah, look, you can see.
Hazard, golf ball size
Holy
hail and 60
shit.
miles per hour wind gusts. Source, public. At 5:23 p.m., the public reported golf ball size hail 3 miles
Holy
west
shit, I think
southwest
this
of
tornado just hit a
Gratiot,
house.
Iowa. Impact.
Okay, what we're looking
People
at
and
here
animals
is a,
outdoors will be injured.
looking at correlation coefficient, which
This is
is
an emergency
a
weather
type
bulletin
of
from the NWS Omaha Valley
debris
NE.
looking radar.
A
It
flash flood
detects if
warning
there's
is in
debris and
effect.
or other
The
things in
following
the
areas are
atmosphere here.
affected.
Yeah,
Gage,
it
Lee,
hit something.
Johnson,
It definitely hit
Lee,
something.
Lee,
So
and
this
Lee.
is a very
Details
dangerous
of the message.
situation
Flash
here.
flood warning issued May
Seek
18th
shelter
at
if you're in any
5:45
type of tornado
PM
warning at all,
CDT until May
period.
18th
Or if you're
at
even in a
8:45
severe thunderstorm
PM
warning, go ahead and take
CDT by
shelter.
NWS Omaha Valley NE. Here is the meteorological bulletin details.
As this
At
is
5:45
just now starting to
PM
blow up
CDT,
here.
Emergency
Oh my.
management reported thunderstorms
It's a strong
producing
tornado
heavy rain
because you can
across the
see
warned
it has
area.
blown a
Between
lot
2
of
and 3
debris
inches
up
of
into
rain
the
have
atmosphere
fallen.
here.
Additional
with,
rainfall amounts
probably
of up to 1
additional-
inch is possible in the
Additional
warned area.
things
Flash
going to be
flooding
thrown up
is
here, but you can
ongoing.
see it's strong. The rotation's
Hazard,
getting strong up
flash
here.
flooding caused by thunderstorms.
So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if for too
Source,
long if they
emergency
do not
management
issue
reported.
a.
Impact.
Gosh dang,
flash
dude, there's
flooding
like
in
3
small creeks
PDS
and
tornado
streams.
warnings already today.
This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Des Moines IA. A tornado warning is in effect.
Over to
moving
the
east
border
at
from
35
Kansas
miles
into
per
Missouri
hour.
here.
This is an emergency weather bulletin. 5:47 p.m. CDT. A confirmed tornado is located 6 miles northwest of Frankfort. Source: Weather spotters confirm tornado. Spotters can. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and NWS Omaha Valley NE. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect. The following areas are affected: Butler, NE, Saunders, NE. Details of the message. Severe thunderstorm warning issued May 18th at 5:48 p.m. CDT until May 18th at 6:30 p.m. CDT by NW Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Butler County in east central Nebraska, northwestern Saunders County in east central Nebraska, until 6:30 p.m. CDT. At 5:47 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles north of Valparaiso, or 12 miles southwest. This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Anchorage AK. A gale warning is in effect. The following areas are affected: west of Barren Islands including Kamishak Bay. Details of the message. Gale warning issued May 18th at 2:49 p.m. AKDT until May 19th at 5 a.m. AKDT by NWS Anchorage AK. Here is the meteorological bulletin details. Coastal waters forecast for the northern Gulf of Alaska coast up to 100 nanometers out including Kodiak Island and Cook Inlet. Wind forecasts reflect the predominant speed and direction expected. Sea forecasts represent an average of the highest 1/3 of the combined wind wave and swell height. Tonight, SE wind 20 kt increasing to 35 kt after midnight. Seas 6 foot building to 11 feet after midnight. Tuesday, SE wind 25 kt. Seas 8 foot subsiding to 4 feet in the afternoon. Tuesday. This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Omaha Valley NE. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect. The following areas are affected: Wayne and NE. Details of the message: severe thunderstorm warning issued May 18th at 5:50 p.m. CDT until May 18th at 6 p.m. CDT by NWS Omaha Valley NE. Here is the meteorological bulletin details. At 5:50 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north of Wakefield, or 9 miles northeast of Wayne, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas. Area should monitor condition. This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Topeka KS. A tornado warning is in effect. The following areas are affected: Marshall, KS, Nemaha, KS. Details of the message: tornado warning issued May 18th at 5:51 p.m. CDT until May 18th at 6:45 p.m. CDT by NWS Topeka KS. Here is the meteorological bulletin details. Tortop. The National Weather Service in Topeka.
Okay, so now we have a new tornado warning here.
Tornado warning for northwestern Nemaha County in northeastern Kansas, eastern Marshall County in northeastern Kansas, until 6:45 p.m. CDT. At 5:50 p.m. CDT, a confirmed tornado is located 6 miles southwest of Beebe, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Omaha Valley NE. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect. The following areas are affected: Saline and NE, Seward and NE. Details of the message: severe thunderstorm warning issued May 18th at 5:53 p.m. CDT until May 18th at 6:30 p.m. CDT by NWS Omaha Valley NE. Here is the meteorological bulletin details. At 5:52 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: trained weather spotters. At 5:46 p.m., quarter-sized hail was reported 5 miles west of Milford. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sod. This is an emergency weather bulletin from the NWS Omaha Valley NE. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect. Details of the message: severe thunderstorm warning issued May 18th at 5:54 p.m. CDT until May 18th